Alright guys, so just because you don't have something like a rock speaker or direct burial speaker does not mean that you're really limited on your options for where you can put your speakers outdoors. In fact, today I'm going to show you one of my favorite hacks for being able to install pretty much any outdoor speaker wherever you want. It doesn't have to be installed on something like a house eave or on a pergola or something like that. In fact, we're going to be installing it right here behind this bush so that we get a nice kind of look to it and it's hidden, and as this grows in, it's going to really kind of wrap around it and look nice. It's going to be hidden, but we're going to have a lot of upsides to this, way more than your standard rock speaker or something like that. So we're actually going to be using this 4x4 cut to 4 feet. It's going to be about 16 to 18 inches in the ground, about 2.5 feet above the ground. And then we're going to be using a standard speaker like this, an outdoor rated 70 volt. This has an adjustable mount that you can adjust the angle as to where it's positioned on the post. And we're just going to be installing this right on the 4x4. So that it gets it up off the ground. What this does is it allows the speaker to project out more, so you get nice volume and clarity throughout your landscape. It also gets it up away from water, sprinklers, weed eaters, anything like that that's going to be around these. Just kind of watch the hedge trimmers. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, other than running the wire over to this one, and then if you wanted to, even daisy chaining off of this since it's a 70 volt and continuing on to another one, this is pretty much it. And it may seem a little obtrusive now compared to something like a low green landscape speaker or a rock speaker, but these bushes are going to grow around this nicely, and you can keep them pruned back if you want. You can really hide these well with a lot of landscaping, a lot of ornamental grasses and things like that. And this is going to give you a lot better projection out into the yard and give you a lot more versatility as to what exactly you want to select. You can aim these, you can angle them, aim them side to side toward your listening areas, and they're going to stay up out of any pooling water, anything in the landscape, anything with your sprinklers. Overall, they're just going to probably last a lot longer depending on which speakers you select. And really easy to remove, no holes in the house, no holes on your pergola, no unsightly wires to run across your decking and things. And when you don't want it there anymore, you just pull the post out of the ground, fill the hole, take the speaker down, and you're done. Alright guys, that's it for today. See you guys in the next video.